Hello everyone, welcome back to Homey Home. It's a channel dedicated to finding the most innovative, stylish, and better ways to build your dream home. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the intersection of human ingenuity and the natural world. Today, we are taking a look at a truly singular architectural achievement. By superimposing a ring-shaped building reminiscent of a delicate bracelet taunt to the natural landscape, the designers have achieved more than just a house. They have created a tangible fusion of architecture and nature. This isn't just about building on land, it's about participating in it. Throughout this video, we will peel back the layers of this structure, revealing how its circular geometry allows it to exist in dialogue with the trees and the terrain, turning every room into a panoramic window to the wild dot. The first thing you notice is the form. By lifting the structure on Pilates, the building minimizes its footprint on the earth, allowing the natural forest floor to flow underneath it. The house acts as a circular bridge, with a ramped walkway acting as the transition from the ground to the living space. The metallic reflective cladding on the upper fascia acts as a mirror to the surrounding canopy, making the house feel like it's floating effortlessly among the branches. Central to the experience is the continuous terrace. Illustrate how the curved wooden decking invites you to walk the entire perimeter of the home. This isn't a dead-end balcony, it's a circulatory path that mirrors the movement of the wind and the sunlight. The slender white balustrades are designed to disappear visually, ensuring that the focus remains entirely on the verdant views beyond the railing. Once inside, the boundaries between inside and out shatter. The incredible floor-to-ceiling glass paneling system. These aren't standard sliding doors. They're a series of vertical glass panels that allow the entire circular wall to be opened, effectively turning the living room into an open-air pavilion. Whether it's the golden hour warmth or the cool, misty morning light, the interior is perpetually painted by the landscape. Even in the private quarters, the design refuses to compromise on its core philosophy. A bedroom that balances intimacy with openness. Using translucent fluted polycarbonate panels alongside clear glass allows for both privacy and light diffusion. This creates a soft, ambient glow within the space, mimicking the dappled light filtered through leaves, while the placement of the bed maintains a direct visual connection to the outdoor greenery. Finally, look at the kitchen layout. By keeping the kitchen minimalist and grounded in warm, dark wood tones, it acts as a stabilizing anchor for the airy, ethereal, glass-walled rooms. It's a sophisticated play on contrast, the industrial lightness of the white, translucent exterior walls against the heavy, tactile furniture inside. This project serves as a profound reminder that we don't always have to dominate the landscape to build within it. By choosing a circular, elevated form, the architect has successfully minimized environmental intrusion, allowing the architecture to act as a frame for the beauty of the forest rather than a barrier to it. It is a masterclass in organic design. If you found this tour as inspiring as we did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into world-class architecture. Let us know in the comments. Would you choose to live in a house that keeps you this connected to nature? Or do you prefer the traditional walls of a conventional home? We want to hear your thoughts. After this, we will provide you with inspiration and ideas. See you on the next inspiring videos.